casserole with my leftovers from the holidays. I went through my refrigerator. So I am going to break it down for you in a little bit. Just wanted to let you see what I'm starting off with. This jar here is my mole sauce that I made for the tamales. And this here is our barbecue sauce that we're going to mix it up. And this is what we are going to use for our fresh ingredients and veggies. And there's our pulled pork that we did on the smoker. And just here's what we have left of our tamales. They were awesome. So now we're going to put them in a nice casserole for dinner. On top of the tamales, and I've already got the tamales sliced lengthways, as you can see. So we are going to go ahead, and the pan is nice and hot. I'm going to add my onions, add my green peppers. Actually, I like to use red peppers or yellow peppers because they're a little bit sweeter, but these are the green peppers, what I have on hand. So we're going to add that. And I decided to add some corn. So I had some organic corn that I bought at Trader Joe's, so I'm going to add in here as well. And of course, I have my poblano peppers all peeled and sliced, or chopped, whatever you call it. And just get it. Wow, smells good already. I haven't probably had it in the pan. Anyway, and this stuff is going to go on top of our tamales as well. And then we're going to put a sauce over it and some cheese. Get it all nice and toasty. Now I'm going to add some chopped garlic. I have some smoked garlic, but I think this is good. It's about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I never have enough garlic in my book. Alright. And then after we get the vegetables all sauteed up and looking good, we'll add some tomatoes. And yeah. Okay, so I've added the tomatoes, and I have some spices here. I have granulated onion, cumin, and chili powder. And I also have some smoked paprika and oregano. So I'm just going to, probably about a teaspoon of each. And then the veggies are starting to come along nicely. And I forgot to mention, I did add the cleaned cut leek that I had extra in the refrigerator. So we have all this mixed together. We have onions, garlic, leeks, tomatoes, corn, and poblano chilies. And I'm going to cut up our leftover barbecue smoked pulled pork that we took off the grill. And I like to use the gelatin juices that came with the pork as it cooled and was in the refrigerator. That's really good flavor. So I'm just chopping it up roughly, and I'm going to add it to the veggies. Okay. All right. So you see the gelatin here that I used. This is good stuff right here. The gelatin. So we're going to add this right here in the veggies. Also going to add a little bit of chicken stock just to get things going. Oh wow, it looks good. So I am just going to add just a little bit of smoked paprika, a couple finger things, and then I like to smash the dried oregano on between my palms and get all the oils and flavor out. Kind of smells really good. Works really nice. Oh yeah, this is looking awesome. So I'll show you. Sorry, it's kind of hard with the thing here, but oh yeah, it's looking good. Get that nice and softened up. Get that meat nice and shredded, softened, and I'll be right back. So I mixed some of my sauce that I made, the mole sauce for the tamales, and I mixed also some of our homemade barbecue sauce with it. Probably about 3 tablespoons of this, and probably a cup of the sauce. I mix it up in here, and I put it in our pan here. So I'm getting ready to add some chicken stock, just to give it a little juice. Probably a cup. Okay. It's going to be a goodie. This is going to be a goodie. All right. So I'm just going to let this simmer for a little while and get the meat broken up. Oh yeah, it's breaking up nice. Okay. Awesome. And it looks awesome. I did add a little more broth and more of my sauce. So there it is. I'm getting ready to put some cheese and some jalapenos on top. These are hot sweet jalapenos that I pickled the other day, and those are really awesome. And so they're not too horribly hot, but they do have a nice kick to them. So I'm just going to put a few in here, because we do like it spicy in this house. And let's see, a little bit more. And there we go. Okay. So yeah. So there's that. And I don't have any shredded cheese, but I'm going to mix. So I'm going to mix it with, let's see. I'm going to mix it with some sliced cheese and also some Mexican cheese. I'm just going to lay it over it. You know, just maybe double layer it. I like lots of cheese. And then we'll put some Mexican cheese on it over there. Hopefully I have enough. Okay. That's perfect. Lots of cheese. All right. And I do have a bit of Swiss cheese on mix in. Swiss is kind of weird, but it's all I have, so it's all good. More cheese, the better. And then I'm going to mix it up too with some Mexican cheese. Lots of cheese. We're into cheese. Okay. I'm going to use this Mexican cheese here. This is awesome cheese. It doesn't really melt real well, but it has a really good flavor. So let's see. Yum, yum. All right. I may put some more jalapenos on top of the cheese. I'm just getting my oven to temperature. Have it at 350. You're going to want to leave it in the oven for maybe 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it. And temp at maybe 160 will be a good time to take it out. Let it cool. That way you can cut it easily when it's not as piping hot. Okay. I'm going to put a little more oregano. And maybe a little more paprika. This is smoked paprika. It's got a nice flavor here. Okay. And then I'm going to maybe put some more jalapenos on it. Just more flavor. Everything we put on will be flavor. And you know, you can use your imagination, add whatever you have in the refrigerator that you think would go good. That's what I did. I'm just cleaning my refrigerator out from the holidays so nothing goes to waste. All right. Okay.
Want me to help you?
Okay, I'm back. I finished putting the jalapenos on it. I did add pepper. I didn't add too much salt because it's already got salt in it, and with the cheese as well. And but I did add pepper. So here we go. Here's what it looks like before it's in the oven, and now I'm putting it in a preheated oven at 350. And I'd say about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. It should be done as long as it's at 160 temp. Okay, I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Okie dokie, it's all done. And it did take longer than 30 to 40 minutes. It took almost an hour to get it to temp, but here it is. We're just going to let it cool for a minute so we can chow down. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. I can certainly put it in the comments if anybody's interested. Take care. Bye-bye.